Hi, my cheerful little buddies. Today I'm drawing Bluey with her funny, shy expression. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a sweet story about when Bluey felt embarrassed but learned something special. Before the story begins, press the like button kindly, so Bluey's blush can shine even brighter. The morning sun warms the room, and Bluey hums a happy tune. She's excited for show and tell day at school, her backpack jingling with each step. "I'm going to show everyone my painting," she says proudly. "Give this video a like if you've ever been excited to show your art too." Bingo walks beside her, her ears bouncing with each hop. "Your painting looks awesome, Bluey," she says kindly. Bluey grins wide, feeling brave and ready. Tap like if you believe Bluey's painting will make everyone smile. When they arrive, the classroom feels bright and noisy. The teacher claps her hands, saying, "Who wants to go first?" Bluey raises her paw quickly, her heart racing with joy. Press like if you think Bluey is super brave for volunteering first. She stands in front of everyone, holding her colorful painting. "It's my family dancing under the stars," she says proudly. The room goes quiet for a second, and then someone giggles softly. Give the video a like to send Bluey some extra courage. Bluey's cheeks turn pink, her ears lower slowly. She looks down, feeling her heart thump fast. The teacher smiles gently. "That's a beautiful painting, Bluey." Tap like if you've ever felt shy but kept standing tall like Bluey. Bingo raises her paw proudly. "I love it. My sister painted that." Everyone starts clapping, cheering for Bluey. Her shy face turns into a big happy smile. Press like if you think Bluey deserves that applause. At playtime, Bluey sits under the tree, hugging her bag. Bingo joins her, offering a cookie with a grin. "See? Everyone liked your painting," says Bingo softly. Give the video a like for Bingo's kind and loving heart. Bluey laughs quietly, her tail swishing again. "I guess I was just a little shy," she says sweetly. "It's okay to feel that way sometimes," says Bingo wisely. Tap like if you've ever felt shy but brave enough to smile after. The day ends with soft sunshine, and the sisters walk home together. Bluey holds her painting proudly again, her heart light and warm. "Next time, I'll be even braver," she says happily. Before bedtime, press like for Bluey's courage, and dream of smiling through your shy moments too.